Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Bob with Trade Genius. I wanted to just show you a really quick video on trading oil. And if you like to trade oil via Nadex, which is the binary options, in which I usually do, is that on Fridays, 70% of the time, Fridays end up green. And good reason for that. One is that nobody really wants to be short oil over a weekend in case there's a war and they can't recover from it. You don't usually get an announcement over the weekend that said we found all this oil somewhere and the prices collapse, but you do wake up sometimes and you find out that a Saudi oil field has been bombed or there's a war or some other crazy thing happens. And so people tend to then cover their short positions going into Friday. So you have two choices. One is you can get an at the money trade for Nadex when the market opens again after the 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock Pacific time dark hours, or you can wait until the morning and then, and just what I usually do is look for the first dip to buy. And the oil market for Nadex also has hourly trades as well as end of day, and usually get a good trade off the open. A lot of times it drifts down into 6 a.m. my time Pacific, and then pops. This time it popped into the open and they sold it off back to basically the gap fill, the overnight action from the close on Thursday, and then it rocketed. And then once you get a selling pressure on this, or you get a rollover, depending on how you like to use your momentum indicators, this is money flow for me, and this is just a trend reversal for me as well. Is that you'd buy here, which you would have bought probably this candle right here, and which was 29.35, and that thing ran all the way up to around about a buck, which is pretty amazing. And you hop off. You trade futures, same thing. But once you get past the first hour and a half for oil, then you usually the excitement dies down until you get to towards the end of the day, and then it tends to try to test one of the edges. And the oil market closes at 11:30, and it was drifting up to try to test that open again. So I just want to share that with you. It's pretty cool tool. Oil is extremely volatile, so I used to trade it a long time ago in futures. It's just it's a little too dynamic for me. I think you need to have a lot more collateral, and so Nadex is a pretty safe way to play it. Even if you blow up the trade, you're only going to lose at the most, $50 or $60 a contract, versus this move here. If somebody was short oil and didn't cover it till last minute for some reason, they get lost $1,000 so per contract. So anyway, I thought I'd share that with you. It's the same rules apply, but on Fridays they tend to want to keep it green, so I look for the first dip to buy. I don't try to trade this thing short. I'll just trade it to the long side. Oil is one of those things that there's a lot of people wanting oil to go up, and so just trade with the bankers. Trade with the London Arab traders, and just make money from one side. You don't have to be, Joe oil trader to make money. I mean, this trade here is good. This trade here is good. Even this trade here is good, even though I wouldn't have traded it. It's too tight. But first hour and a half, you can make your money and be done for the day. So that's the third way I've shown now, where you can just make money nearly every day in the market. So how you could trade the ES, how you could trade volatility, and how you could trade oil. And I have a few more to share with you as the day, weekend, and the week goes on. So enjoy. Have a great day. Bye bye.